Okay, it's recording.
Recording now?
Alright guys, what's up? It's Tyler. Just got a little bass right here. Throwing this little 6-cent crankbait off this little secondary point in the slough. We out here gonna kill it today, man. Me and Ken out here. Went out here yesterday and probably caught 40 fish just on this one crankbait. No, actually a couple other crankbaits. So this should be a banger video, man. Look at this stud. He's like humpback or something. But we're about to go out here and try to catch some more fish, so we'll see you guys when I catch more fish. Damn. Man, that was back-to-back casts. That's how you do it. That's a good one. Right after we recorded the intro, I literally put my phone up, and guess what? Next cast, another one. Solid little fish. Pretty. I think there's a school out here off this point. See if I get another one on third cast. But I'm recording from the phone today because my GoPro is full. The SD card's full. And I was trying to take my footage and put it on my computer, but the footage, my computer storage is full too. It's like everything in my life that I own is full. My phone storage is full, everything's full. That was a big fish. I need to clean it up. But I'm basically fishing some hydrilla out here off this little point. I got on a good bite yesterday throwing crankbaits in hydrilla and just popping it real good through it and stuff. By the way, your line's out there, homie.
I know my line's out there.
I just caught it.
Here.
Sir, get your small ass in this boat. Come here. Come
Number
here, boy.
Number 3 off the pond.
Woo! We out here.
Damn, did you hear it echo? This is the point right there. Oh yeah.
Oh, about hooked the shit out of myself right there. That would have been mad funny. We out here.
Oh yeah, they bit that crappie color at 1.5.
I can't even get this fucking. Oh, there we go.
That's how you do it right there, son. That's how you do it.
Looks about 5 pounds. You hold on that close.
Get this release right here.
Well guys, we changed locations. Went to one of my little honey holes. Came back here yesterday and caught all our fish. Look how small this fish is. He had that giant crankbait. Gosh, he got it way up in his nose, man. Oh my gosh, that hook ain't coming out. Oh my goodness. Ooh. Man, he got it good.
Fat little fucker, isn't he?
It's a good little fish. He's small though. The average size back here is about 3 pounds. Ooh, got slipped on a rod. Well, last second little dink.
We out here right now, dude.
I just had one bite right before he had that one. Well, our little honey hole spot didn't really pay off the way I wanted it to.
It did not, sir. It did not. Got the stuck in his gill. Oh, there it goes. That's the shit right there. It's gonna win us a tournament, bro. Right there.
Yes, sir.
Get this release right here.
Oh yeah, look at this thing.
Fuck me. Oh, we bit my.
Bit down on my thumb, bro.